If SketchUp is giving you an error downloading a file, or you see a message like an error occurred while downloading the model, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common causes and the fastest fixes so you can get back to downloading models without wasting time. We'll look at 3D warehouse download errors, SketchUp Web download issues, permission blocks, and what to do if a component fails to load after the download. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick SketchUp fixes and software guides. First, let's clear the most common issue inside SketchUp Desktop. If you click download in the 3D warehouse window and nothing happens, or SketchUp throws a download error, the problem is often a corrupted WebCache folder. This folder is part of SketchUp's internal browser, and when it gets stuck, downloads can fail even if your internet is working fine. To fix it, close SketchUp completely. Then open File Explorer and go to your App Data folder, then SketchUp 2026, then SketchUp. Inside that folder, look for WebCache and delete it. After that, relaunch SketchUp and try to download again. In many cases, that alone resolves the issue. If the error is still happening, the next thing to check is your SketchUp sign-in. Sometimes your authorization token expires and SketchUp can no longer verify your account properly. In the bottom left corner of SketchUp, click the account icon. Sign out completely, then sign back in with the Google or Trimble account linked to your SketchUp access. Once you refresh that login, try downloading the model again. This is a very common fix when 3D warehouse downloads suddenly stop working. Now, if the built-in 3D warehouse window keeps failing, there's an easy workaround. Open Chrome or Edge, go to 3D warehouse in your normal browser, find the model you want, and download the .skp file directly to your desktop. Then simply drag and drop that file into your SketchUp workspace. This bypasses the internal download window and can save you a lot of frustration when the embedded browser is the problem. If you're using SketchUp Web and the download button in the menu is not working, the issue may be different. Browser pop-up blockers often treat file downloads like blocked pop-ups. Look near the right side of your address bar for any blocked download indicator, warning icon, or pop-up notice. If you see one, allow the download and try again. Also, if the model is very large, SketchUp may time out while preparing the file. In that case, go into Model Info, open the Statistics or Cleanup area, and use Purge Unused to remove extra data before trying the download again. Next, let's talk about network and permission blocks. If you use a VPN, it may interfere with the secure connection SketchUp needs to communicate with Trimble's servers. Try turning the VPN off temporarily and test the download again. Another thing to check is disk space. If your C drive is almost full, SketchUp may not be able to create the temporary files needed during the download process. Make sure you have at least a couple of gigabytes of free space available before trying again. And if the file downloads but then fails to load properly inside your model, the problem may be related to textures or graphics settings. Go to Window, then Preferences, then Graphics. Look for maximum texture size and make sure it is unchecked. Sometimes a downloaded component includes very large 4K or 8K textures, and that can cause the import process to fail or crash. Turning that setting off can help SketchUp load the model more reliably. So to recap, if SketchUp gives you an error downloading a file, start by clearing the WebCache folder, refreshing your sign-in, and using the browser download workaround if needed. Then check for pop-up blockers, VPN interference, low disk space, and texture-related loading issues. These steps solve most SketchUp download problems quickly and safely. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SketchUp troubleshooting tips, tutorials, and productivity fixes. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix SketchUp 3D warehouse not loading, or how to repair SketchUp model import errors step by step.